In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Qantas points on Cathay Pacific. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the option to exchange your Qantas points for bonuses in flights on Cathay Pacific at the official Qantas website. So go to www.qantas.com and when you arrive at this page, hover over Frequent Flyer on the menu and then Use Qantas Points. You will see a list of all the features that you can acquire with your Qantas points. Immediately on the top of the page, you will see this red button, A through Z of partners. Click this option and you will be able to see a list of all their partners where you can transfer Qantas points into. In this list, look for Cathay Pacific. As you can see, it's listed over here in alphabetic order, and click on it to access its page. This page will give you a summary or a description of how Cathay Pacific operates in conjunction with Qantas. I recommend you take your own time and you read through this carefully if you wish, and if you are satisfied and you want to exchange your points, find the Search Flights red button. Usually it's close to the top of the screen, as you can see over here. Click on Search Flights and you will be redirected one more time to this page where you can select Redeem Your Travel Credit. Click Find Out More, and now what you have to do, according to them, is to be in contact with their customer support team, who will be able to assist you in exchanging your points for Cathay Pacific points. So use one of the numbers they have to be in touch with the travel credit experts to exchange your Qantas points. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Qantas points on Cathay Pacific. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.